Hisense ConnectLife app, connecting the window air conditioner. To add an appliance to the ConnectLife app, press the Start Here button. For this example, we chose to connect to the window air conditioner. Select and press the window air conditioner option. Follow the steps as shown in the app. Step 1. Use the control panel or remote control to turn on the window air conditioner. Next, scroll down and follow Step 2. Long press the Wi-Fi icon on the control panel. The Wi-Fi indicator light will flash. The window air conditioner has entered the distribution network mode. Press Open Settings option to select the Wi-Fi network. And Step 3. Connect your smartphone's Wi-Fi to the HIS network. Once connected, swipe right or press the back button to go back into the ConnectLife app. Press Next. Scroll and select among your available networks. Press the check mark to confirm your selection. Only 2.4 GHz networks are supported. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press Connect. Once connected, name your window air conditioner and assign it to a room you placed it in and press Add Device. The ConnectLife app will take a moment to update. Your window air conditioner will now appear in the room selected.